The X-rays. Professor William Conrad Röntgen was the one who made the discovery in 1895, marked a milestone in the history of science and medicine, since its experiment marked the beginning of radiology and diagnostic imaging. X-rays fortunately detect bones, fractures, hair, tumors, and other abnormal masses, pneumonic, some types of injuries, calcification, foreign objects, dental problems, etc. Like before discovery. Before the discovery, the medical diagnosis was made by questioning the patient, by palpation, and by questioning by osculation. The magnitude of the discovery was such that, surprisingly, within a few months of the enormous radiographic examinations for medical purposes already were being carried out in the world, and fluoroscopic had been invented and popularized. Changes for the inventions. Professor Wilhelm was the one who, in 1901, won the first Nobel Prize in Physics for this remarkable discovery changed the management of our patients and contributed to a new developmental medical specialty radiologic, which allowed the study of the patient from the inside, making the treatment more precise diagnosis of diseases. Thank you.